Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your group chat on Facebook Messenger. If you use group chat on Facebook Messenger, do you sometimes wish there was an easy way to delete the entire conversation? In this video, I will show you how to delete a group chat. It's really quick and easy, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, just open up your Messenger application and then go over to a group chat you want to delete. So in order to delete or deactivate a group chat, you have to be an admin of that group. Otherwise, you can't actually remove people from the group or you can't deactivate a group chat. So if you are just a member of a group chat and you don't want to be in that group anymore, tap on this eye icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on this leave chat and leave on group. But if you are an admin of the group, scroll up and tap on this see members, and you have to remove all of the members from your group. So tap on them and tap on remove from group chat. Do the exact same thing to all of the members of your group, and then finally you can tap on yourself and tap on this leave conversation, which will delete that group chat. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.